Ionizer. Welcome to my first video on this channel, where I'll be doing a few tutorials on VMware Fusion, how to install operating systems. I might also consider of testing out viruses. So let's continue with the video of installing MS-DOS 6.22 on VMware Fusion. So what you want to do is press continue, and then we want to select our disk image. These are some ISO image files I've downloaded from internet before. So we look for DOS71cd.iso. Now I got this ISO from allbootdisk.iso, but you can look for this ISO image file by just searching ms-dos ISO image file. So you click continue. As well as downloading the ISO image files, you will also need to download free setup disks. Also, with the ISO image file I downloaded from allbootdisk.iso, 3 of those setup disks were involved. Do watch out for that before you consider downloading. So we select operating system MS-DOS, continue. Then you want to customize the setting. And then we want to save on our drive. Now what you want to do is add device. I want to add a floppy drive. Yeah, this all virus floppy disk, I'll show this in the next video. I kept this floppy disk image full of different kinds of DOS viruses. So you want to select the first setup disk, and you'll see why in a minute. So we'll close out of that. Now go full screen, and let's start. Welcome to setup. So to learn more about setup, press F1. To exit setup while installing MS-DOS, press F3. Now, in my opinion, it's not really much of a difference between downloading MS-DOS and not downloading it. You just get the files. Okay, configure unallocated disk space, do it. Setup will restart your computer. Enter the setup disk 1. We've already done that. Enter. Okay, formatting. Let's see, we're actually United Kingdom. Yugoslavia. Man, good days of Yugoslavia. You know what? Yeah, let's just United Kingdom, why not? Keyboard layout is also United Kingdom. Settings are correct. Settlement, yes, we want them there. Good. Setup disk 2. So we want to press Control Command if you're on a Mac. I'm not sure what you do on VMware Workstation, but it's something, control something. But let's see. Spanner, floppy disk. Now you want to change the floppy image to the second one, number 2. Can open. We close out. Enter. Now you want to go into setup free control alt again. Spanner, floppy disk, floppy image, and point free. Open. Cross. Enter. Remove all disks. So control alt, and it's very important to remove disks because when you boot back up after restart, you will be immediately sent to the setup again if you don't do so. So we'll just disconnect. Cross. Enter. MS-DOS is now installing computer. Okay. Enter. And what I might actually do is show you guys a bit of a teaser of the different viruses I have on MS-DOS. So spanner, floppy disk, choose floppy image, all viruses boot disk, open. Now that's into drive A. So before we continue checking, let's just have a little exploration. So dir/w. We have doscommand.com 1820 config.sys. Okay, cd dos. This takes you throughout the directory. That's a directory. The one with the square bracket is directory. All the other stuff is files. Actually, you know what? cd ... This takes you back up a directory to C drive. So if we do win20.386, oh, it's not even a file. Let's see, config.sys. Okay, auto exec.bat. I think it's, ooh, here we go. Drive. Okay, that's cool. So dir/w. Now to go into a directory is in that square bracket of DOS. You do cd DOS. To do dir, you can dir in a column or you can dir in a rows and columns. I prefer rows and columns so you can see everything. We have sys.com x copy. So let's look at check disk. Okay. dir/w and scan disk. They're all the same, but this one's more graphic. Scan disk has done this, blah blah blah. Yes. You see, I like the days when DOS computers used to have graphic images of it was graphic, not like white and black command line. Let's exit, because why not? dir/w. There's also edit. It helps you to edit stuff. Let me actually show you how it was done. So exit. So you can edit a file like edit. Let's see, what should we set? Let's edit sys.com. And as you can see, it's a whole lot of gibberish. But I think if I actually check on the root directory of C drive, you'll be able to read what it says. So we'll close out that and I'll show you later. File, exit. We also have help, just to see different commands, what's new in 6.22. I love those good times when they used to say this is new when it's not really new anymore. Let's see, file and exit. What else do we have? We have mwav. This program requires Microsoft Windows, damn it. So you cannot run this on here. We got undelete. Undelete allows you to retrieve anything that you have accidentally deleted, which was a cool thing because if you deleted something before MS-DOS, your computer was no longer had that file. Let's go to the C drive. cd ... This takes you back up a notch on the drive, C drive. dir/w. Now we can edit config.sys. And this is what it says. Device equals server .hi. I'm not actually sure how this works, what it's meant, because I don't really know much of sys code or whatever code this works on. I think it's a bad script, but I'm not really used to that. Let's see, edit auto exec.bat. And this is also in bad script. Oh yeah, this thing is here, echo off prompt SPG. Okay, that's cool. So I think that's really about it for MS-DOS. There's nothing really too fancy. But let's go on to the A drive. Oh, fail, abort. Yeah, this is one thing I don't get about MS-DOS. It's very weird when it does this. I think, oh yeah, I forgot. I need to attach the floppy disk. Connect to floppy. Cross. Okay, now we can go on A drive. A drive. dir/w. And these are actually two viruses, very classic MS-DOS viruses I'll show later in the next video. I mean, they don't no longer work, but they just only show the payload. So I'll see if I can try and get a working version. So that's about it for installing MS-DOS on VMware Fusion. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you got any suggestions, leave it in the comments. Thank you for watching.